Multiplication. Multiplication of a two-digit number by 25, 50 and multiples of 10. Multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple multiplied by 10. So 22 multiplied by 30. 30 is the same as 3 times 10, so it's the same as 22 times 3 times 10. 22 times 3 is 66, so it's 66 times 10. And to multiply a whole number by 10, we move the digits one place to the left and add a 0. Becomes 660. What about 47 times 60? 60 is 6 times 10, so it's the same as 47 times 6 times 10. Let's do our long multiplication. 47 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Write the 2 and carry 4 forwards. 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 4 carried forwards is 28. So we have a total of 282. It's the same as 282 multiplied by 10. So we add a 0 on the end, so it's 2820. We can multiply by 50 in the same way. 16 multiplied by 50 is the same as 16 times 5 times 10. 16 times 5 is 80, then multiplied by 10. It gives us a total of 800. Or we can use the fact that 2 times 50 equals 100. So 18 times 50. 18 is the same as 9 times 2. It's the same as 9 times 2 times 50. 2 times 50 is 100. It's the same as 9 times 100, which equals 900. Even numbers times 50 are always multiples of 100. For odd numbers, we can find the nearest even number that's below and add another 50. So 21 times 50. Take 1 off the number and then break it into a multiple of 2. So 21 is the same as 20 plus 1, and 20 is the same as 10 times 2. So we have 10 times 2 times 50 plus 1 times 50. 2 times 50 is 100, so we have 10 times 100 plus 50. 10 times 100 is 1,000, so our answer is 1,050. When multiplying by 25, we can use column multiplication. So 33 multiplied by 25. In our columns, 33 times 25. Start with the 5 times 3 is 15. We write the 5 and carry 1 forward. 5 times 3 again is 15, plus the 1 carried forward is 16. So 165. This is the same as 5 times 33. Now we multiply by the 2. This is really multiplying by 20, so we need to add a 0 in the ones column and then multiply by 2. We add our 0, then 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 3 is 6 again. This is 20 multiplied by 33. Now we can add them together. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 6 is 12, write our 2 and carry 1 forward, then 6 plus 1 plus the 1 carried forward is 8. So our total equals 825. We can also use the fact that 4 multiplied by 25 equals 100, so 24 times 25. We can break the number 24 into a multiple of 4. 24 is the same as 6 times 4. So this calculation is 6 times 4 times 25. 4 times 25 equals 100 is the same as 6 times 100, which equals 600. What about this one, 36 times 25? We break it into a multiple of 4. 4 times 9 equals 36. So this is the same as 9 times 4 times 25, and 4 times 25 equals 100. So we have 9 times 100, which equals 900. Remember, multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple multiplied by 10. Any number times 40 would be any number times 4 times 10. Or any number times y with a 0 equals any number times y times 10. When multiplying by 50, you can use the fact that 2 times 50 equals 100. When multiplying by 25, we could break it into chunks, or we could use our short multiplication. Or we could use the fact that 4 times 25 equals 100.